Hello there everyone, welcome back. Welcome back again in another video here in Math with Teacher Riva. It's Math with Teacher Riva. How are you doing today everyone? I hope you are all feeling well today. Are you ready to begin? Okay, then let's start. Start with, let us all have a short recap of what we have learned last time. Is it okay? Very good. Who among you here have remembered what we studied last time? Yes, you are right. Last time, we did learn about the concept on money. Money. Yes, money is everything, right? Money is everywhere. You can use money to buy the things that you like to buy and to buy the important things you need for you to survive. Right? Okay. In money, we included studying the different kinds or forms of it. First, we have the paper form money, which we call bank notes, and the coin form money, which we call coins. The two types of money are banknotes and coins. These are the things that we give to the seller if ever we buy an item in their store. Okay, what are the different kinds of banknotes? Number one, we have a 1,000 banknote, 1,000 banknote, 500 banknote, 500 banknote, 100 banknote, 50 banknote, again 50 banknote, and a 20 banknote. There are 5 different banknotes in Thailand. How about the coins? We have a 10 baht coin, a 5 baht coin, a 2 baht coin, a 1 baht coin, a 50 satang coin, and a 25 satang coin. In coins, the greater value belongs to the 10 baht coin and the lowest value belongs to the 25 satang coin. Whereas for banknotes, it's 1,000 banknote that is of greatest value, while 20 baht banknote has the lowest value. We also compare the values of money. For instance, a 1,000 baht note is worth the most, which means it has the biggest value. A 20 baht note is worth the least, which means it has the lowest value. A 100 baht note is worth less than 500 baht note, which means when compared to each other, 100 and 500, 100 is smaller than 500. That is why we say less than. Furthermore, we dwelt in the breaking down of money, which means we try to make the money become smaller in its value, not changing the original value itself. For example, we have 500 baht. We want to make the money into smaller values, but retaining the value of 500. How did we make it? Right, you used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You used 5 100 baht, since a 5 100 baht is equal to 500 baht note. Coin, a 10 baht coin. We used 1, 2 5 baht coins, since it gives us 10 baht coin rather. Another example, we have 500 baht, but we don't want to use 100 baht to represent it all. So we need to use other baht notes. So we have 1 100 baht, 2 100 bahts, 3 100 baht, 1 50 baht, 1 50 baht. So we have here 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50, 50, 50, and 50. It gives us 500 again. About 100. We use 1 50 baht, 1 20 baht, 1 10 baht, 1 10 baht, and another 10 baht. That gives us 100 still. Of course, we talk about changes. Talk about changes that we use or that we get when we buy something. Items is the name of the product that we buy. The price is how much. Payment is the money you give. And the change is payment minus price. So I'll just slide it and try to refresh your minds on these following concepts. Okay? Next, to move further, I want you to learn this time about measuring lengths in meters, centimeters, and millimeters. Again, measuring lengths in meters, centimeters, and millimeters. We are through with tackling money. This time, let's go on to measurements. Are you ready? Alright, that's the spirit, everyone. Okay, let's begin with knowing the different measuring tools. Again, repeat after me. Measuring tools. Okay, very good. So what are measuring tools? These are objects that we use in order to take measurements of different objects, whether small or big. First measuring tool, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's name each of these measuring tools. Let's have the first one. This is a meter ruler. Meter ruler. Okay, this is a body tape measure. Body tape measure. Next, common tool, we have ruler. Ruler. And lastly, self-retracting tape measure. Self-retracting tape measure. All of these measuring tools are used in order to make accurate and correct measurements of objects. Again, whether small or whether big. Okay, what is this one again? Meter ruler. Good job. This one? Very good. It's a body tape measure. How about this? Ruler. Great job. And this one? It's the self-retracting tape measure. Let's move to measuring lengths in meters, centimeters, and millimeters. Look at this picture. What is this? Okay, it is a rope. The rope is 1 meter long. The rope is 1 meter long. Take note, 1 meter or meter, when used as abbreviation, we use letter M. M stands for meter. What does M stands for? Good job, meter. Next, what is this? It's an eraser. The eraser is 5 centimeters long. The eraser is 5 centimeters long. Abbreviation for centimeter is cm. What does cm stands for? Centimeter. Great job. And of course, when we do measurements again, simply just use an accurate measuring tool. Can you measure the following using a ruler? You can try this at home. I've done mine. First, this is a picture of a watch. Again, this is a watch. This is a fish. This is a badminton racket. This is a can. This is a cabinet. Can you try measuring these objects in your house today? Teacher have done hers already. You want to look? If you have free time, you can measure it one by one. Now, repeat after me as I say the measurements of these objects. Okay? Let's go! go. A watch is 8 centimeters long. The watch is 8 centimeters long. The fish is 6 centimeters long. The fish is 6 centimeters long. The cabinet is 12 centimeters tall. The cabinet is 12 centimeters tall. The can is 7 centimeters tall. The racket is 20 centimeters long. The racket is 20 centimeters long. Have you done your measurements already? Well, if you did, very good, everyone. Now, I have here another picture. This picture shows a ruler, a pencil, and a rope. On this picture, we are trying to measure the pencil and the rope. Yes or no? Yes, absolutely right. This time, I would like to teach you the concept of millimeters. Can you repeat after me? Say millimeters. Good job. Millimeters in abbreviated form is mm. mm stands for millimeters. If you can see on the ruler, 1 millimeter starts after the 0 mark. So if you try to count, we have 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Can you follow? Alright, very good. Now, try to look at the previous slide. What is the measurement of a pencil? Okay, it shows on the screen. The pencil is 7 centimeters and 2 millimeters long. Okay? The pencil is 7 centimeters and 2 millimeters long. How about the rope? What is the measurement of the rope? Try to see. Starting with 2 and ends with 8 and 8 millimeters. So we have the rope is 6 centimeters and 8 millimeters long. Again, the rope is 6 centimeters and 8 millimeters long. Okay, this time let's have a short activity. You refer your answers to the ruler written up. You have 4 items. We have a hair bow, an inhaler, a spoon, a razor, and a straw. It requires an accurate measurement. So try to look it carefully over here. Okay, are you finished? Let's answer together. Let's have a measurement of the first picture. The hair bow is 5 centimeters and 5 millimeters long. Did you got it right? Well done. How about the next one? The inhaler is 6 centimeters and 3 millimeters long. The inhaler is 6 centimeters and 3 millimeters long. The spoon is 8 centimeters and 6 millimeters long. The razor is 7 centimeters and 1 millimeter long. And lastly, the straw is 13 centimeters and 3 millimeters long. So, these 5 are the different measurements of the objects on the previous slide. So, have you got it correctly? That's good. Now, let's check the vocabulary words for today. Repeat after me. Say, centimeters. Very good. Meters. Your turn. Good job. Millimeters. Well done. Length. Awesome. These are the 4 vocabulary words important to remember when we talk about measurement of length. Okay? Have you understood our lesson for today? Well, if that's the case, good job! Great job, everybody! And thank you for listening and watching Math with Teacher Reva. Goodbye, everyone, and keep safe always.